Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I stretch a gallery wrapped canvas in my printing business. And basically, to start, you will lay your stretch frame down on your table flat, and then you'll put your canvas over the top and line it up with the edges of your stretch frame so that it will appear how you would like it to appear once it's wrapped around. Once you do that and you get it where you would like it to be, you will flip your canvas and your stretch frame over while holding the canvas in place on the stretch frame. You'll carefully lay it back down on its face and put in a couple of staples just to secure it onto the stretcher frame. Once you've done that, you flip it back over just to check and make sure that nothing shifted when you flipped it over the first time. Check your edges again and make sure everything lines up the way that you originally lined it up before you go any further. Then you can flip it back over and continue to pull it tight and add your staples. I have been doing this for a very long time, so I have a lot of strength built up in my hands and fingers, but I do recommend that you use a stretcher pulling tool. It will make it a lot easier on your hands, and if I were doing a larger piece, I would definitely be using my tool. But since this is a smaller one, it's 24 by 24 inches, I'm just using my hands to pull it tight. Sometimes you might hit a few knots in the wood and you need to use a hammer to bang the staples all the way in. Now I'll flip it over and do the other side. Just pulling it tight and stapling right where it's tight as I go down the line. Now I'm going to do the ends, and they're going to be a little bit different because we have to fold the corners. So I like to do what is called a miter fold, and that is what you see me demonstrating here. And it's a really nice fold. It looks nice and clean as an end result, so I really like it. There's more than one type of fold to do, though. I like to cut the center out of it and the back tag just to reduce the bulk. You definitely want to use a very sharp pair of scissors because it can be hard to get through the canvas. And now I will just proceed to pull tight and staple as I go along down the lines, making sure that my corners stay folded in. And at the end of my line, I will do another fold just to make it look nice. Gives it that finished look. And now for the other side. You'll get one more view of how to do the miter fold. Alright, so everything is all finished, and this is the end result. I'm going to flip it over and look at the front. And we also need to add a hanger wire on the back. So for the hanger wire, you just want to flip your canvas over with the top of it facing you. You will use something to mark your spots that you're going to screw in your hanger wire. I can't find my tool. I forgot to look for it before I started the video. So I'm using a pen. It'll work. I do like to use my tool because I make a starter hole with it, but the pen will work in a pinch. Here we have some wire and our wire cutting tool. And I will just start screwing in the hanger that we're going to attach the wire to. Alright, so now we're going to attach the wire onto the piece of canvas, and I have a special way that I like to tie my wire as well. You can do it the way that I do it, or you can just tie your own knot. However you like it is fine. See, I will show you how I am tying this knot here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And there you have it. You have stretched a canvas. And now you can hang it on the wall. Thank you for watching today. And if you've liked this content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel.